positive, electro positive. I forget. Oh, we'll look at it. It should be a chart here.
Wait, open it up really quick. Open it up. Let's see what it looks like inside.
Fuck,
Yeah, check that out. You can't really see any of the controls.
And it has a light too. I know that. Well, we can plug it in. Fuck, I should have brought that.
No, we don't need to plug it in.
Let's just see if it turns.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
Let's make sure.
Wow, the controls are very nice too. They're very intuitive. I didn't touch them, but they look very easy to read.
Yeah. Let's just get a quick game.
Here, it's right here. You want to do 240 or?
Yeah, 240. I'm gonna put that. Oh, I think I got it from the front. That's right.
Hang on, I gotta just unplug it because it has the thing in already. So I'll use that.
The box is right there. See if it, flip the box around. I'm gonna disconnect it. I don't cut that shit up. I'm gonna use that wire for your extension cord. I got the male end to plug into the dryer. I got the Steve pick it up.
Sweet, that's awesome.
So that should be long enough to get out the door.
All right, ready?
Now, okay. Now see the metal, the
switch.
Yeah, lift that switch up. I think it's on.
There it goes on.
All right. So now where's the power?
The power's in the. Yeah, it's in the back.
Yeah,
Wow, check that out. Holy shit, it turned on.
Set for 19 volts. You're set for MIG. I also got 5 pounds of 7018 and I got 3/16. You got the MIG wash. You can play it with stick. You're gonna be able to play. Let's see. So when you want to go to.
How do you switch the modes?
You press that.
Is it touchscreen? Oh, maybe this
that's
one right
that's
here.
both.
Mode.
Okay, yeah, so you got to go mode.
Oh, MMA, that's stick.
Yep.
This is TIG.
Yep.
And that's MIG with flux. I think that's shielded, right?
No, that's spool gun.
That's spool gun?
Yeah, that's spool gun. So when you want to do MIG with flux, wait, how'd you do that?
Mode, that right there.
Okay. When you MIG is going to be MIG, but it's flux or gas is you're gonna swap these.
Oh, check that out. That's
because
pretty
what happens is for MIG, your electro, your gun is negative. Or no, your gun is positive. I forget. Your gun is positive, but for flux core, your gun is negative, and your workpiece is positive. So I think that's. So this is going to be, I'm pretty sure, and then the stick connection is going to go right into that.
Okay.
And then your ground's going to go right.
It's all the way upside down, yeah. Like full, yeah. Locking.
So it's got those are actually good connections.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. They look decent.
So that I believe this setup, and your gun's going to go here, is going to be for flux core. Mm-hmm. And then this setup is going to be MIG.
Stick. MIG. We don't have the TIG gun.
And it's got the synergic where you could set up. Yeah, I mean, it looks
pretty cool. We're gonna check it out tonight, I guess.
Yeah. So let's. Well, you can plug it in 110. Let's check it out. I gotta put the end. And the end is that. Oh, let's see. We'll go to my house and maybe I'll shoot to your house.